What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an example of how to run a Redbubble store and how to actually make money with Instagram bots. So as you guys could see, last night all these posts were brand new. It says here 11 hours ago. After I posted yesterday's video, I figured, why don't I do this? Why don't I create a live case study to show you guys how to actually do this? And, you know, the cool thing about Redbubble is that they don't put any kind of limit on people when it comes down to creating stores. Like, you can have as many stores as you want. So I created all these posts. These posts do correlate to actual designs. If we click on here on the link for the merch, you could see here I created a store. You guys can go to the store. It's a brand new store. It's called Stoic Quotes, and it's basically just quotes. And what I did was I kept it all uniform. Okay, when I say uniform, all the designs are the same. The setup is relatively the same. You know, I'm using the iPhone case as the the thumbnail. I think you could say. And you could see here, all of the posts have the same setup, like the same font, the same dagger, all this. Now, you don't have to set it up this way, but I'm just showing you an example as to how I'm going to be able to create passive income from this. I'm essentially showing you guys the game plan. I am giving you the game right here, okay? Now, there's many ways to make money on Redbubble. You can sell pictures, you can sell different kinds of designs, but this is just an example, like I said. And what you guys are seeing here is there's nothing you know, too complicated about these designs. You can see here, it's literally just a black background, text, and a tiny photo. So it's nothing that's, you know, insane. Anybody could do this, is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now, these we ran an Instagram bot yesterday for like 50 people. Okay. The reason why there's you know, we're following 900 something is because I took an older account and I switched it. So this account is relatively dead. It was a car account before. It was like a car fanatic type of account, right? Like it would show cars and all that. But we already got some likes. We only followed 50 people, maybe not even 50 people, honestly. I think maybe like 40, but I used the optimal bot to do it. So kind of, I'll show you guys exactly what I did. I would go search for like Stoic quotes. Like you guys could see, I already have it right here. These three accounts that I searched for yesterday were the accounts that I was targeting. And what I did was I used the followers, okay? So I clicked on the follower list and I used the followers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back here and I'm going to use the like lists. So basically, guys, for those who haven't seen my videos before, basically the way this method works is I'm going to be benefiting off the long term off the system. I'll explain why. What I'm doing is I'm posting content that correlates to the store. Anybody who likes the content here on the Instagram, if they click the link, they're going to be seeing the exact same thing on the store. They're going to be taken to this exact page, okay? If they have a general interest, if they really want to buy it, they'll buy the product, okay? But the thing is, we need to inject fuel into this business. We need to inject rocket fuel. We need a lot of people to visit our designs. Now, we're backed by Redbubble. Redbubble is going to support us here because they're going to pay for advertising for the people who don't buy the first time, which is a tremendous thing, okay? So what we're going to do, and I'll make a video on how I built the store and all this into the future, but what we're going to do is we're going to help Redbubble out. Instead of us relying on Redbubble's search algorithm, we're going to bring in traffic from Instagram to super boost this thing, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to get an Instagram bot. Now, you guys know I already have this Instagram bot. You guys can get this Instagram bot too. It's called the IG Bots, igbots.org. I'm not affiliated with this company. The optimal bot, okay? It has a follow, like, and unfollow, okay? Where follow, like, and unfollow. Basically, what you're doing is you're going to be getting engagement. You're essentially paying $119 for a bot that you can use every day for the rest of time, okay, to do engagement. Now, if you want all the updates on the bot, it costs $7 a month. If you don't want the updates, that really doesn't matter. And to get the update, you just go over here, scroll down on the product page, and click Add to Cart, or you can go to the page and kind of read about it. But essentially what it does is like I said, it will do all these actions for you. Okay? And there are people that do this and that sell other things and not just Redbubble. They'll send it to their e-com stores, and you could do the same thing, right? This works for any case. I've seen people who can't afford advertising pay a one-time payment like this of $119 and now afford advertising every single day. Why? Because it's for free. So the key here is we pull up any related Instagram. So if I go here to Daily Stoic, okay, we can say that this account is related. Like the quotes are similar. So here it says, as long as you live, you can keep learning how to live, right? This is a quote that's what we call a Stoic quote. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this list of likers, the people who liked it, right? We're going to open up our Instagram bot, and what we're going to do is we're going to just click this follow button, and we only click it once. We don't need to click it more than once. What it's going to do is it's going to start gradually following these people. When I follow these people, well, I already know that they like Stoic quotes because they liked this post. And when push comes to shove, when we talk about the reality of it from a mathematical percentage, if they see, if they're interacting and engaging with posts that they already like, right? And my posts are similar, there's a high chance for them to engage back at mine. Well, guess what? We're humans. We are consumers in this world. We like to purchase products. Well, the people that are liking these posts, they do have a financial nature to them. They do want to buy stuff. They have a genuine desire to buy stuff. And when they come to my profile, if they have a true desire to buy the product, if the product is intriguing enough, right, then what's going to happen? They're going to buy my products. Now, over here, on this little menu, I set the follow quantity to 30, so it will automatically stop at 30. So I could get up, go brush my teeth, go for a walk, go eat dinner, whatever I could do until it hits that number, and I don't have to really worry about anything. It will do it for me. Now the delay here, I set it between 2 to 6 seconds, just for the YouTube video. I don't recommend these numbers. I'm gonna set out a course on this soon. Like I said, it should be coming today. Let me check what today's date. Today's Thursday. It should be out by Monday. Okay, I'm going to be creating a course. It should be out by Monday. And it's going to tell you exactly what to do, how to set it up. I'm going to create the like course for free, and then the paid one will be the follow and follow. All right, and how to integrate it with the like. But with that being said, guys, this is kind of how we do it. We get free advertising. Now, what's going to happen is there are going to be a percentage of people, and this is going to be the majority, who are not sure whether to buy right away or not. Okay? Well, that's a huge benefit for us, because as long as they're not sure, we can end up turning them into customers. I'll kind of explain how this works. So when they, take a look at our profile and they click our link in bio, that's all they have to do. Now they're in our funnel. That's what a funnel is. They're in our sphere of influence. We can influence them now. How do we do that? Well, we, as people, like me and you, we don't have to do anything. Redbubble's going to take care of it. See, when they click on my store and they get here, if they click on, a certain post, or they show interest in something, maybe they don't like it in a phone case, maybe they want to take a look at it in a t-shirt, right? Whatever it might be, they're going to go to maybe a different website. They might forget about it, right? But then what happens is this ad will keep popping up on the websites that they're visiting, and it will keep reminding them of the product they want to purchase. And what's going to happen is over time is this is going to lead to more sales, and it's going to lead to a gradual buildup of traffic. Now, if you want to build sales in your business, okay, first thing you need is a buildup. That's why we say having followers is important, a large amount of followers, because if you don't have that audience that you can cater to, that you can post to and engage with every single day, then that's a bit of a drawback. But in this case, we do, right? The second thing after building an audience, what you really need to do is you need to create products that cater to that audience. So in terms of Instagram, I'm catering to an audience that likes Stoic quotes. Well, they can go and buy my Stoic products, right? Like that have the Stoic quotes on the products. So this is just like literally how I've been doing this Instagram bot stuff for a long time now, and it's never failed me. And I'll be showing progress reports of sales and things like that. The store is brand new, literally created 11 hours ago, the store. Guys, the Instagram account created 11 hours ago, so literally brand new. We're going to see where this store takes us. The first sale I get, I promise I will make sure I will document it and show how long it took to get my very first sale with this method. Now, the idea is for me, the idea is for me, we're going to see how long it will take, number one, to grow the account to get to our first sale, how much engagement we needed to get our first sale, how much attention we needed. This is going to be a live case study. The reason why I created, guys, a brand new store here last night is because I have a lot of Redbubble accounts that are already making me money, and I don't want to show one of those kind of assets. No offense to the public. I think everybody understands why. And you could see here, joined November 2021. I literally created this store last night, and I figured, why don't I do something in front of everybody to see that will kind of live as a case study, as something that's, out there for the people, right? And I thought this was a tremendous idea, and we're actually going to keep adding stuff eventually to the store, designs, we're going to keep growing it, and we're going to keep doing this behind the scenes. But this is an example, guys, and the reason why I'm doing this and I'm investing time in doing this is because I know it's going to work. I've done this hundreds of times, literally, and this tool, what it does is over time it will create sales for you. Now, the cool thing about this tool is that what I'm doing is these 30 people that I just engaged with, right? The bot is basically finished engaging with them. These 30 people, I would have never engaged with them if I had never used an Instagram bot. They would have never knew who I was. And who knows, maybe one of these 30 could have been a purchaser of one of my products. They could be followers. They could be whatever, right? So there's a lot of things to be aware of, guys, when we're building our Instagram accounts. And there are a lot of different ways to make money. We could go over here to my activity feed. Let's just go ahead and wait for that to load for a second. You can see here an hour ago, somebody started following me. A new person that I've never interacted with started following me. I got a like from somebody. A few other people started following me 9 hours ago. This is just off of, guys, me engaging with 40 to 50 people last night. Okay, 2 likes, another follow, another few likes, another 2 follows, and some guy liked every single one of my posts. Maybe this guy is what we call a super fan. You never know. They might end up buying, right? So we'll see exactly what happens over time, right? But I figured this would be a good case study. I'm going to upload like a montage later. I'm not sure if it'll be tonight. I'm not sure if it'll be tomorrow or whenever, of kind of how the store was built and kind of just an explanation, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.